Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very chill, very relaxed. We're just gonna talk. Yeah, we're talking about some fun things. We're talking about the really popular KVD Beauty Apple foundation that like blew up on TikTok. And we're gonna talk about Disneyland. Am I going back to work? Keep watching to find out. And vaccines, all this good stuff. So if you want to get ready with me, hear me talk, all that good stuff, then keep on watching. I have no purpose here. Like, this is not going to be a tutorial. It's just going to be like a chit chat video. It's already a mess. But this is the real exciting part. I have this. I know you know what this is. This is a big deal. I have Light 004 and I got this the week before everyone lost their mind. So I'm very glad I did, because now I guess you can't find it anywhere. I have worn it already and I like it. I have oily skin, so she was sleeping the whole time I set this up, and now she has something to say and I'm not here for it. I'm gonna wear this today. I know everyone on the TikTok applies it with a brush, so I guess I'll do that too, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my sponge because I don't apply my foundation with the brush, but if that's what the kids are doing, then that's what we're supposed to do. So I sound so old. Oof. Yeah, she is full coverage, kids. My god. This also is a really good shade for me. I know it kind of looks not like it is, but I promise you, I am this pale. Now that it looks really bad, I'm gonna smooth it out with my sponge. So this is what it looks like. It's luminous, obviously, and as an oily person, I'm gonna set that because never once in my life have I felt the need to not set a foundation. That is wild to me that people can, you know, different skin types like don't need to set their foundation. That's bananas. Before I do that, I am gonna do some concealer. I'm using the Rare Beauty concealer. I can't tell if this irritates my eyes or if my eyes were just irritated when I used it. Does that make sense? Maybe not. This brush is fat. Fat, fat, fat. Literally like stamp it on. Blendy blend. Okay, and now we're gonna set with the KimChi powder and Fenty powder. I think I'm gonna do my eye makeup first before my face, like bronzer and stuff, because I don't know what I want to do for my eyes yet and I want it to match. So we'll just start doing eyes. And now I can like chit chat with y'all now that the base is done and I'm not slapping my face with any product. I'm really excited. I applied for the 2021 Sephora Squad program. If you don't know what that is, it's basically this like internship where you work with like a group of creators and with Sephora, and you know, work on with them with brands, and it just seems like this really incredible like opportunity to like get your foot in the door of this incredible world of makeup artistry. And also it's cool that they're, you know, acknowledging like creative content. Like, I know that I don't have millions of followers, but the 155 of you that I do have, I feel so honored, and I don't know, I just feel like I have this sweet little support system and I love uploading and hearing what you guys have to say. And the last video I uploaded, you guys, I'm stunned. It got over 100 views. Like, that usually doesn't happen for me for like weeks after I upload, so I'm blown away, and it feels good to be seen. And I think this program is like a really cool way of, I don't know, it's like a non-traditional internship, I would say, but if I get the chance, it would be like life-changing. You have to have testimonials, and if you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you've seen already that I've been posting about that. If any of you feel so compelled as to leave me a testimonial on why you think I should have a spot in the squad this year, I would really appreciate it. I'm gonna put my link in the description box, and anything counts, like just a few sentences. It doesn't take too much time out of your day, and it makes such a big impact. So yeah, let them know what you think of my channel and how much fun we have here, because I think we have fun. We're chill. We're just here to appreciate and love makeup. Oh my gosh, speaking of all the love on my last video, you guys, not only was my video great and like successful, you loved it, thank you so much for watching it as much as you did, but my picture that is my thumbnail, I'm gonna put it boop right here. That picture got reposted to Trixie Cosmetics on Instagram and Twitter, and Trixie Mattel herself retweeted it, and I over the moon. It feels really cool to have like someone that you look up to like see your work and recognize your work. So I love you, Tracy, so much. Yeah, I don't know, I feel it in my bones. Like, I know I'm doing what I'm meant to be doing, and as silly as like this might seem to some people, I have been talking to myself while I get ready, pretending I'm making videos for a very long time. And I know that sounds crazy, but it's true. It's like I grew up with like the OG makeup YouTube, you know, gurus, and I learned so much. Like, I would just watch like Michelle Phan, Candy Johnson, Zoella, like all these cute, amazing people. Well, Nikki, obviously, from the start. Nikki Tutorials is queen. But I don't know, it feels cool to also have my own space now, and hopefully people are watching my videos just like I watched theirs, you know? I don't do it to like get all these subscribers. Like, this genuinely just makes me happy, and so when more people find it, I'm just constantly blown away and so happy that you guys are here and liking my content. Hopefully I continue to do that. Want some other exciting news? I'm getting vaccinated on Friday. Yes, yes, yes. I am so excited. It's been a long time coming. I am so happy, and also really like, it's a really cool feeling to see how far we've come. And you know, I live in California, and we're vaccinating people, it seems like, at a really good rate here, and I don't know, I just have a lot of hope right now. Like, I'm just very hopeful for this Sephora thing and vaccine and Disneyland. Let's talk about Disneyland. I guess, I don't know if everyone knows, but I do work, well, not right now, but I work at Disneyland, and obviously it's been closed. Right now they're doing that touch of Disney, which looks very cute. I did not go, but I've seen many a video and many a picture. It looks adorable. But the park gets to reopen finally on the 30th, which is so freaking exciting. As of right now, I haven't been called back to go work yet, but I am part-time, so I'm anticipating it'll be a little bit before I get called, since full-time goes first, and then, you know, I think it's seniority based, and I have a pretty decent amount of seniority, but you know, there's always going to be people that have more than you, so it's just a waiting game. And honestly, I'm not even like, normally I'm stressed. There's like this culture around like getting a phone call from Disney around like, I don't know, anything really, and normally it makes me so stressed and worried, but I am so at peace just knowing that people are getting calls, and you know, it's happening and people are going back, and that's gonna be me too. Like, I'm gonna get my call one day and it's gonna happen when it's meant to happen for me, and it's gonna be magical when it happens. I'm just gonna be so happy. I've missed it so much, and yeah, it's gonna look different than, you know, how we were operating before, but honestly, I'm just so excited to like see my friends and go to work. Like, I have been home for over a year now. So I'm just so excited, and I believe it's only California residents right now, just to keep the spread down, which I totally understand, and I'm kind of happy that that's happening. And then we'll be able to welcome people from other states and places, you know, once it's safe to do that. But I'm so excited. I don't really like talk to y'all about this kind of stuff, but I love my job and I know how special it is, and I never take that for granted, so I cannot wait to get back. I'm so excited for my friends who are going back. It's gonna be so good. I'm gonna use the highlighter from the Back to the Fuchsia palette. That's gonna be my lid color, and I know that seems kind of crazy, but I think it'll look pretty. And then we can use the this KimChi product also. It's gonna look really good. I've been loving using this lately. It's like a super duo shift. I've been loving this tiny brush. Bronze time. We'll use the Back to the Fuchsia and dip into Cyber Babe with the brush. I like concentrating that I stopped talking. I'm gonna use the Pearls Gone Wild as a highlight also. I think I'm gonna do my brows and the rest of my eyes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did eyebrows and mascara. I don't think I'm gonna do fake lashes or liner today because I just don't want to. But I'm going to try this lip gloss. I don't know. I think it's gonna look pretty. I also don't know if it's gonna work with this look, but let me just see. We gotta try new things. Don't be scared. Oh my god. Certainly a color I've never worn before. It is really pretty. I think it's kind of fun. Does it match the eyes? No, but it definitely stands out. I kind of like this though. It's like really different, but I think I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna be brave and bold, and I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna also go do something with my hair and put on clothes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so some time has passed since I finished filming the get ready portion of this video, and I did change the gloss. It is still a Trixie Cosmetics gloss. We went from shade Chill Pill, which was the purple one, to Duh, and I took pictures in both, and I just really wanted to put this one on. I still like them both. It wasn't me saying I didn't like it. But I also want to talk about these earrings really quick. These are from my friend Shelly. I will link her shop down below. She makes incredible jewelry. I got 3 pair, I think, this last launch that she did, and these are just so cute. I'm not wearing anything cute. I'm in my Katya sweatshirt because I'm tired. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I'm sorry that this is kind of uneventful, but I had fun chatting with you guys. Comment down below what's going on in your lives. I want to know. I talk to you guys all the time, but let me know how you're doing. And I'll be back next Saturday with a new video, so subscribe so you don't miss that. And that's all I got. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.